How to add Zoho Mail to GoDaddy. The first thing that we want to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner, and then go into My Products. Here, from the domain section, we want to select DNS next to the domain where we want to add Zoho, and we want to select Add New Record. Now, for the type, the record type will be MX. The name we need to put @ and then for the priority here, before we add the priorities, we'll add another value twice. And the priority, we need to type 10, 20, and 50. And here's where we type the values. So we want to type mx.zoho.com in the first section, mx2.zoho.com in the second section, and you guessed it, mx3.zoho.com in the third section. And then after we have, oops, this is going to be 50, sorry, not 59. So, and after we have done this, we'll just click on save, and you will have successfully added Zoho to your GoDaddy website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and we'll see you next time.